down, greased him.
Here we go with this huge triple threat match. Out there! Gets him with a counter. Dragon twist cutter. Nasty attack to the neck. Into a power bomb. As the wrist locked up. Ripcord lariat.
I thought Phoenix was getting up. That's why I didn't want to risk it.
Great counter. Impressive in-ring IQ on display.
And just let them do their thing. Backflip.
Saw what he had in mind there. Full Nelson. Dragon suplex. To the outside he goes. Trying to create some separation here, Cole. Samoan drop. Bringing it back between the ropes.
I missed.
Lives to fight another day. This could mean trouble. Finds a way to reverse. Uh-oh.
Oh,
are
you
my
kidding me?
Back of his neck. I like my crush inverted. Gets out of the way. And fast. He's in control. He evades the attack.
The Great Muda.
Oh, look at that. Scoop slam. He's certainly looking in command at the moment. Things are really going his way now. Corey, would you agree that triple threat matches can lead to unexpected alliances?
Oh, absolutely. Triple threats create circumstances that lead to interesting bedfellows, allies out of necessity. Eliminating the strongest entity so you can go one-on-one is a common game plan.
There's going to be a lot of big moves in this match. But one question is going to be, who will capitalize on those moves the best?
Step over, DDT.
He might have been waiting on that one. Whoa, it's another reversal. Watch this here.
Olympic slam. Nice.
Now trampling the opposition.
Damn, the Sean can't use one of his finishers. That's wild, dog. I heard about that. No.
Oh, right to the face.
Anticipated that attack
He had like 2
perfectly.
weeks to change it, dog. I don't want to hear that.
Reverse STO.
Great reflexes.
That's why I said you had like 2 weeks to change it.
Well, perhaps he's thinking the ring can't contain what he has in mind here.
I don't think he was trying to hit you. I think he meant to hit me.
He wants it one more time. Big Turner! And just like that, it's all over.
What a sweepy. He lets go. Yeah, I wonder why.
Pop up.
in the hard way.
You should have let me make him use his graze. It will help.
He's one step ahead there.
Great technical know-how on display.
Ooh, reverse STO.
Boom! Planet.
That was impressive.
There's one. Y dos. This third one mixed it.
You know, this is just one of those matches you want to sit back, relax, and just take it in.
The 24/7 titles for all
jumping
brands.
stop to the gut.
Ooh, bullseye.
There! Uh-oh. Shot to the back.
I don't know. They be changing the rules for the
Rolling
24/7
cutter.
title
This
all the
one
fucking
could be
time.
over.
He continues to press forward.
Nothing is going to stop him now.
I was gonna say you better hurry up and put that on.
Oh, look at this. Look at this. He hasn't done nearly enough
I
to
was
get
about
the
to
pin yet.
fucking say,
Not
dog.
yet. He weaves out of the way. Jumping neck breaker. Ouch.
Oh, nasty impact.
And he's heading back in. Exploder suplex.
Such impact.
Oh, man, inverted backbreaker.
Ow.
Great agility there. This is going to be big. Big boot. Vicious.
From the top. Going all the way up.
The fist has been dropped. What a counter.
Showing no signs of defense here, guys. Oh my God, that's gotta hurt. Saw that one coming. Oh, knee right to the face.
I hate the reach on that move.
From behind. Boom. Natural selection.
There! That was vicious.
Ooh, what impact.
As the wrist locked up. Ripcord lariat.
That's ring warriors for you.
Uh-oh. Oh, this is going to be nasty. This is going to be bad. Watch the impact.
All he has to do is capitalize.
And he stops the count.
Step over.
Can't pin him again. That's a double pin, bitch.
That should do it right there.
It's a double pin.
Never say die
Nick, that was a
attitude out
double
of him.
Just barely, but it counts.
Yeah.
Oh, elbow to the knee.
That'll hyperextend your leg.
He's definitely being the aggressor here.
He's taking charge here.
There's two. And he got a near fall out of it.
Look at the look on his opponent's face, Cole. He can't believe it.
Yes, it is. Double pinning is against the rules.
Boom! Boom! Nice!
Inside the ring now.
German suplex, but that's not all. Oh, brutal.
And it looks like this one's going out to the floor. Stomping down.
Showing some quickness.
And this match can change that fast. For the win! Near fall after near fall in this matchup here.
How? How?
He got out of the way. Flashback! Almost got him there.
Almost only counts in horseshoes and hand grenades. Lightning fast reflexes.
No, another reversal.
Neither one of them are willing to give an inch here.
Now's the time to find that second win. Find that rush of adrenaline to push you forward. Right to the midsection. Step over.
DDT!
Off into the pin. What's it going to take to keep him down?
I'm just as shocked as everyone else, Cole. His opponent included.
Elbow drop.
Great reversal. I gotta say, I'm impressed. Oh, saw it coming.
Into a DDT. Into the pin attempt. Oh, somehow.
Not a whole lot of luster behind that kick out. Impressive strike combination.
From out of nowhere.
No, he hasn't. He hasn't. No.
He's got him down. This is it. And he got him.
I'd call that out, though. He tried to pin me up and not hit my finish. But, I mean, technically you kicked out, so